Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you have missed 1 or 2 days or even more on the Grow a Garden advent calendar. So basically, you will need Robux to recover those days you missed. So view calendar, as you can see, you'll need 49 Robux to recover it. You do need these days if you want the Gingerbread Blossom Seed, because you'll need 19 requirements to do this. And yeah, so if you want to get the final reward, you do have to complete all of the days of it. And if you do miss it, yes, unfortunately, you do have to, well, you have to recover it using Robux. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.